Okay, here's an example sa music video. We're gonna turn off our video because we're gonna be recording our audio first sa music video. Then, the very beginning, quiet lang tayo. That way our mic can't pick up any sound. Kasi pag may ma-pick up, mag-show ka sa video. Making sure that everyone will be shown sa intro, quiet lang. And then we do the humming sa chorus like this. Ah, ah, ah. Ganyan. Para mag-show tayo sa first chorus or all parts. And then this part, quiet tayo dito kasi may naka-assign na dancer. So, don't make any noise sa mic mo. Observe lang yung lyrics and then wait for your part. Then example, this is my part, so I will make a sound. Ah, 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 ah. And then stop. Quiet again. Naka-assign ito sa ibang dancer, so quiet lang. And then you wait for the next part, which is the chorus. Lahat tayo mag-hum dito or will make a sound or a beat. Ah, 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 ah. Ayan. And then, quiet ulit kasi ibang dancer naman naka-assign dito. And example, natapos na yung song. Na-record mo na lahat yung song, yung audio from the very beginning to the last second. Huwag mag-stop in the middle kasi yung video mo ma-stop in the middle. So save, and then you add the video. Yung video icon, tap mo yan, and then you switch your camera to show yourself. And then start your video. This time you can take out the earphones or pwede mong tanggalin yung earphones sa pag-connect sa phone. And then you can make the music loud. So dito, sa very beginning, naka-pause lang ako. Kunwari yung fingers ko, katawan ko. And then my part, ayan, sayaw ako. Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Ayan. Maririnig mo yung music pag tinanggal mo na yung earphones para rin marinig mo yung humming at or yung sound mo kung kailan ka sasayaw at kung kailan ka magpo-pose. So, importante rin yun. This one, sa video, hindi maririnig yung sound, yung music kasi I was using screen record app and then it won't let me allow to record the music or the sound. Kaya, ayan, walang sound. Pero you will know na may sound yan sa actual video. So, sayaw ulit kasi chorus. And then, pause. Kunwari, end of the video. Pause lahat. Ayan. And then, you have to save it. Make sure you review the video. And then, set the volume to the lowest setting. -12 para di ganong maririnig yung humming or yung sound natin, yung beating natin. Para medyo neat siya pakinggan. And then review, you want to redo, tap the video button again. If you're satisfied with it, save it. And then that's it. Hope this one helps.